I'm Graham from Castle Cameras, and I'm here in a very cold but very beautiful Bagshot Park in Surrey for the launch of the brand new Sony A7III. So Sony are really redefining the term entry level with this camera. It is by no means entry level in the term that we're used to. It has a 24.2 megapixel full frame sensor, the same sensor tech that you'll find in the A9, just without the stacking. Still backside illuminated, meaning that the ISO can go up to a crazy 204,800 ISO. So a lot of other features trickle down from the A9, including the incredible autofocus performance with over 600 AF points covering 93% of the sensor. This means great AF speed and accuracy throughout the shooting. When you're shooting fast, 10 frames per second as well. Obviously not as quick as an A9, but still very good, very fast performance. Using it in real world conditions, 10 frames per second does feel plenty fast enough. Other features from the A9 include the incredible Z-series battery, meaning this camera gets the highest battery life of any mirrorless camera currently on the market, over 700 frames on a single charge. That is incredible. That is a real breakthrough moment in terms of mirrorless camera tech. We've also got the really rugged, deep body that we've been used to. Handling and controls are great, including the new joystick that we first saw on the A9. It's now made its way to the A7III as well. Video wise, this is shooting 4K obviously, but now we have S-Log2 and S-Log3, so we can capture some amazing looking footage that can be graded to match stuff like the Sony A7III as well. So I've been lucky enough to have a go with the A7III today, and it's been amazing. Let's take a look now at my stills and my video that I shot with the camera. So what we're seeing here from Sony is an incredible all-rounder. This camera, you could take it to any professional shooting situation and it will excel. For me, this is the best all-round full-frame camera on the market now. Coming in at $2,000 for the body only. Available from April, although as a professional dealer we're hoping to get it a little bit earlier, so get your pre-order in now, and you can even receive a 5-year extended warranty for pre-ordering the camera. So head over to our website www.castlecameras.co.uk, get your pre-order in now, and hopefully we'll have this with you soon. Thanks for watching.